Yo, what's up guys? Teacher Paul up here, and today we have a video from The Voice Norway 2025. If you want to request a video, click over here or go on to buy me a coffee. The link is in the description. Thank you for your support. And guys, let me know who your favorite is for The Voice Norway. Let's check this out. This is Oda Jonetta Joberg, or Joberg. Oda Jonetta Joberg. Songbird. Fleetwood Mac. Okay, let's check this out. Let's go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the second Fleetwood Mac song that we've seen in The Voice Norway.
The sun will be shining.
Nice. It's got one already.
And the songbirds keep singing like they
She's got a good voice.
know the score. And
Nice. Nice country voice. Love the voice. Wow. Everybody turn. Wow. Nice vibrato. Nice vibrato inflections. Wow. Oh man. Oh man. It's okay. We don't see what the judges have to say, but we know what they have to say. She has a great voice. She went there. Less is more. She didn't belt out and do crazy stuff. She stuck to the original plan, respecting the song as it is. She's got a great country voice, and I like the inflections in her voice, the vibrato. She did everything perfectly well. Oda Jonetta Joberg. Keep an eye out for her because, she will go far. I'm eager to see what happens next, what she brings out next, but I think country is the way to go. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. We're going to go to the next video. Let me know who your favorite is, and if I haven't reacted to them yet, then, let me know. If you want to request a video, click over here, or click over here, or click over here to see my voice playlist. Take care. Bye-bye.